Alright, I go ahead and type in the VIN, vehicle identification number for this thing. Getting this pulled up as soon as it loads in. He's put a throttle body on this. It had some kind of throttle body issue code. Looks like he's got a little scan tool here. I hear the Flop-O-Matic, that damn, what do they call them, that blend door actuator flopping. Alright, let me stop this recording so I get my stuff and figure out what's going on with this Jeep. Alright, got some of my little stuff out here what I need. This is my little Chinese snap-on little Autel. It's one of the good ones they got. So, in my experience, more than likely that's the main one that's setting the code. Let me do a little bit more stuff. I gotta get that fender out the way and check the integrity of those wires. Getting that fender off and getting down in here, and I see the old grain oogie boogies and crud down in there. This one's going to require some surgery. See if I could do this live on film. I've done it several times live, but this for the customer. So these red to red jumpers right here, this is feeding up here in this corner. That could be, oh, hey, alright. So let me get, it's the cruddies, man. The cruddies do it in. Oh boy. So down here, I like these little heat shrinks that I use along with the crimpy doohickeys. And that heat shrink, it has like heat glue, you know, that melts the glue guns inside there, so it makes it weather tight. I got you hooked up, and we got some battery voltage, a jump box, and I've already cleared out the codes. You got some lost comm codes with the radio from where you have the aftermarket radio in here. And there you go, my brother. There you go.